Namaskar. Myself Radhika Gajanan Ambhore. Today I am talking about Nritya Yoga Sutra. Nritya Yoga Sutra is a unique dance therapy for total health. Nritya Yoga Sutra is the graceful dance form of ancient yogic movements, asanas and hastamudras. Nritya Yoga Sutra is the concept for prevention of illness and management of health. It is a scientific and systematic approach towards a sound body and mind. It moves along with physical, metaphysical, psychological, and then towards spiritual level. Nritya Yoga Sutra is the combination of following therapies: Hastamudra, reflex zone therapy, acupressure, yoga, meditation, chakra, pranayam, and music therapy. Nritya Yoga Sutra is accompanied by rhythmic music which has soothing and melodious effects, thus leads to create positive brainwaves. It has different musics for NYS Namaskar, asanas, hastamudras and chakra meditation. The exemplary feature of a Nritya Yoga Sutra is the feet hitting the ground in a particular manner, thus applying pressure and activating acupressure points. Scientific use of hands and feet activates acupressure points and reflex zone areas of that region. Nritya Yoga Sutra has incorporated following steps from Indian classical dance to stimulate particular areas of feet which are therapeutically important. Controlled and slow movements of dance increases metabolism and blood circulation, thus reduces spasm of affected region and leads to comfort. Hastamudras are used in yogic practice for therapeutic purpose, but in Nritya Yoga Sutra, use of Hastamudra is a wonderful aesthetic experience without losing its health benefits, and this is the unique quality of Nritya Yoga Sutra. It includes Shankha Mudra, Mayura Mudra, Muni Mudra, Pankaja Mudra, Simha Mudra, etc. Nritya Yoga Sutra is focused on graceful, controlled body movements for which Indian classical dance and ancient yoga is world famous, and that's why Nritya Yoga Sutra is called as dancing yoga. In Nritya Yoga Sutra, almost all the techniques of body movements are similar like yoga movements. For example, Vatayanasana, Ekapada Pranamasana, Tadasana, Tiryak Tadasana, Garudasana, Trikonasana, etc. NYS asanas are useful for muscle toning and flexibility. Nritya Yoga Sutra follows the principle of chakras. Practicing chakras with NYS is more easier and faster than any other existing methods. Before the practice of chakras, deep breathing exercise and Nadi Shodhan pranayam is necessary. It is practiced along with Antar and Bahir Kumbhaka. The controlled and rhythmic movements with awareness of body and mind keeps the check on breath. Musical notes used during the practice helps to concentrate on the location of chakras. Apart from physical benefits, different chakras are having different spiritual gaining which can be identified in the form of mental or psychological status of mind. It regularizes the function of endocrinal glands. In NYS, head, neck, hands, eyes, legs, all small joints and every organ of body is used scientifically and systematically, which is rarely focused by any other health system.
Thank you.